Hey everybody. So I picked a Rifkin Arco 7 cash bag the other day, and then a funny thing happened. Ran into a local seller here in my city that had 12 of these for sale without keys, and she gave me too good of a deal to pass up. So now I've got 12 of these guys. And so you wanted a closer look at the lock. This is the Arco 7 lock. I'm going to get behind it here. They're just kind of secured to the bag. I'm not really sure how. If it's like rivets or... Yeah, I see like rivets up here at the top. It's like, I guess, tucked in and riveted to the lock. And so that's how it's secured onto the bag. And then that right there, that number right here, I don't know if you can really see it or not. It's a light stamp. It's YY2051. All the Arco 7 locks have a code like that stamped on the back, and that's what tells me what to cut onto the key. So that's how I actually make keys for these things. And so there's also different styles here. I've got a few of the Arco 7 locks. And then some of these have these locks here. These are wafer locks. And I'm not sure how to pick these. One of these bags has a key locked in it. There's another Arco 7 lock. Arco 7, Arco 7. So these things, I've actually picked these. One of them does have a key actually locked in it. This one right here. And I've picked it, but it like turns a little bit. But I'm guessing it's got to pop up or something to get the zipper to release. But I can't figure out how to do that. So I'm going to cut a key to one of these for another video and figure out how it works and see if we can pick one of those. And then the third style lock. I'm not going to see the back of one of these. You can't really get to the back, but you don't need to on these because all these have a code actually stamped on the front to tell you what cuts to put on these keys. It's not on the back of these wafer locks. And then the third style lock is right here. And this one actually, the lock turns and it pops up like the Arco 7s. And not much to see on the back of that one either. The code is actually on the face of the lock on these here. So that's the locking mechanisms and everything. And then I'm going to go ahead and throw this one in a vise. And we'll pick it. And then I'll show you how the key works and everything. So in just a second here, and we'll be right back with it in the vise. All right, we got it in a vise here. And we'll see if we can get this guy picked open here. And I'll put the bidding on the screen because I don't remember what exactly it was. It was a whole bunch of really short pins. I remember that on this code, like a whole bunch of 1s, 2s, and 3s. Bam. Got it. Alright, so that's a Rifkin cash bag there, picked again. Another one anyway. I'm going to show you now that it's open. Yeah, how they, there's actually some papers in here. But the, you know, zipper on these. Zoom out a little bit here. Yeah, they just zip closed. And the zipper just pushes under that little clip there. And then just pushes back, and then it's locked. So that's how they work anyway. And I guess next I'll probably pick one of those wafer locks that I know I can pick, and then after that I'll make a key to one of the other ones and see how the lock actually works, and see if figure out how to pick it. So anyway, that'll do it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and all that stuff. And that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.